everyone! Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today, we will make Ube Macapuno pie a la Jollibee. Are you ready? Let's get started! We will need 2 cups of plain flour, Macapuno strings, ube halaya or ube jam. For the recipe, check out the link in the description below. Half cup of cold fresh milk, half cup of cold unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the plain flour, white sugar, and salt, and give it a mix. Then, add in the unsalted butter and cut it into the flour until coarse crumbs are formed. Then, add the cold fresh milk and mix them together. Using your clean hands, gather them together and knead it until it becomes smooth and form a dough. Wrap it with cling film and chill it in the fridge at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, transfer the dough onto a floured surface. Shape it into a log. And cut it into 6 portions. Flatten each portion until it becomes thin. Then, cut it into square and set aside the trimmings. By the way, you can use the leftover trimmings to make another square for later. Now, scoop about a tablespoon of Macapuno strings and put it on top of the dough. And then, a tablespoon of ube halaya. Cover it and seal the edges using a fork. Then, transfer it into a baking pan or baking tray lined with parchment paper. Chill it in the fridge for at least 15 minutes before frying. After 15 minutes, fry it until it becomes golden brown. Remove it and transfer it into a wire rack to drain. And here's our finished product! This hand pie is so good and is best served warm. I hope you'll give this a try. And this is what it looks like inside. Please don't forget to hit the like, and if you have any recipes you want to see in the channel, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.